Hello and welcome to Crewe Motor Match. My name is Greg and today we're going to be taking a look around this gorgeous Audi A5. It's the 2-litre TDI, it's the S line and also the Sportback variant. This car does come with an automatic transmission and the Audi famous 4-wheel drive system, which is quattro and also finished in this gorgeous grey metallic paintwork. This vehicle does come with a power operated tailgate, which does expose a vast amount of loading area, which is a dream especially if you're going on that weekend away and need to fit a few suitcases in there. It's also easy to close, just as it was to open, just via a click of a button. Moving on to the interior, you've got a very decorative door insert, and you've got the part leather and part Alcantara S-line embossed seating, which is very comfortable and very supportive and is electronically adjustable. The driver does get the benefit of using the perforated leather-wrapped multifunctional steering wheel with all the controls that you would need at your fingertips for your day-to-day driving. Aiding you on their motorway journeys is the cruise control with a speed limiter. You've got a semi-digital dashboard up ahead with all the views that you would need for your day-to-day drives, as I did previously mention. You've got satellite navigation, your multimedia functions and a digital speedometer. Front and centre is your infotainment screen, which does house a wide variety of applications such as your Audi Drive Select, which seamlessly changes the setup of the car to aid the driving style of your choice. You can also adjust the sound levels, which does allow you to have your own personal concert, which does lead me on to the fact that this car comes with FM DAB radio, but if that's not to your music taste, you can connect your phone via the Bluetooth connectivity and play your own music through there. The Bluetooth also allows you to connect with your family and friends with ease. This car can be opted for satellite navigation should you want that. And this car does come with the Audi smartphone interface, which is Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, and you can have your Google Maps on there. You can also tailor this car to your preferences via the MMI settings. Further down you do have your dual zone climate control with heated seat functionality, and this does save on a lot of arguments between the passenger and the driver, as both can be at their preferred temperature. The heated seats do have 3 setting functionality, which is a dream especially in them cold winter mornings. And alleviating any parking worries are the front and rear parking sensors. Now flowing through the centre console, you've got 2 cup holders, a USB port, you've got your shortcut buttons for that infotainment screen, and you've also got your automatic transmission, an electronic handbrake, storage compartment for your keys, and just underneath the centre armrest you've got more storage, an aux cable and another USB port.